Guys, imagine this. You want to start earning from AI videos, but every tutorial feels so complicated. First, you generate prompts, then add images, then do the editing, then add voiceover, then add subtitles. All exhausting. But what if I told you that today, in this video, I'll show you a tool where in just one click, your professional AI video will be ready. Story, visuals, music, voice, everything done automatically. And guess what? You don't just earn from YouTube. The same method can open 5 to 6 different income sources for you. So make sure you watch this video carefully till the end. Step 1 is simple. You only need one story. To generate the story, we'll use ChatGPT. And here's the best part. You can do this from either your laptop or your mobile phone. The first option is using your laptop. Open Chrome or any browser and search ChatGPT on Google. Click the first official website and sign up with your Gmail. The second option is use your mobile phone. Go to the Play Store if you're on Android or the App Store if you are on iOS. Search for ChatGPT by OpenAI and install it. Open the app and log in with your Gmail. You can even use voice input in the app if you don't feel like typing. Now, once you're inside ChatGPT, just give it a command. For example, write an inspiring story of a village girl named Mira who dreams of becoming a teacher. Use 150 words and write this in English. In seconds, ChatGPT will generate a beautiful story. If you want it longer, just set the word limit to 500, 1000, or whatever you want. Now, copy the story. We'll need it for the next part. Now comes the most exciting part, turning your simple text story into a full-blown cinematic AI video. Again, you can do this both on laptop and mobile, whichever is more comfortable for you. Head over to Magic Light AI. Just sign up with Gmail, you'll instantly get 300 free credits to start. Each video you make uses up some credits depending on its length and quality. So yes, the free plan may be limited, but don't worry, you can still maximize it. Create 2 to 3 sample videos first. Test styles and upload them to YouTube or Reels. If you run out of credits, you can either simply create another account using a different ID to get a fresh set of free credits, or consider investing a little into a paid plan. Click on AI video, paste your story, and now the fun begins. Choose some of your settings like the aspect ratio, language, and style. Then comes the craziest part. With just one click on next, the AI automatically breaks down your story into perfect scenes. Writes detailed prompts for each one, and prepares your video like a professional editor. Think about this for a second. What would normally take hours of scripting, animating, editing, and adding voiceovers, here it's done in seconds. That's the insane power of this tool. Now, let's bring the characters to life. Turn on AutoCast and the AI will automatically assign characters for you.
At the edge of the village schoolyard, Mira watches with wide-eyed fascination, her dreams as vast as the open sky above. Her eyes trace the teacher's every move, igniting a burning desire within her to shape young minds and inspire future generations. A spark ignites within her, her eyes reflecting the unwavering determination to make that dream a reality. In the dimly lit room, Mira sits hunched over her books, the flickering oil lamp casting long shadows that dance with the heavy weight of disapproval. The silence is broken by her mother's voice. "Mira, why do you waste your time with books? It's better to learn household chores." Mira looks up, her eyes filled with determination as she responds. "But I want to teach others, Amma. I want to make a difference." Years later, the village school basks in warm sunlight, where Mira stands as a teacher, her face a beacon of kindness. Surrounded by eager students whose eyes sparkle with curiosity, she creates a positive and encouraging environment. A student asks, "Miss Mira, how did you be?"
In our story, Mira, her parents, and her teachers are the characters. But here's the best part. If you don't like the auto-selected characters, you can choose from the many available options. There are dozens of character styles you can pick from, so you can match the look and feel exactly the way you imagined your story. And it doesn't stop there. The tool instantly adds stunning visuals, background music, and even a professional voiceover. Normally, you'd need a whole team, a writer, an animator, an editor, and a voice actor. But here, AI does it all in just seconds. Now, it's time to polish your video. Add subtitles in your favorite style so your audience can follow along. Change the background music if you want something different. Then, just click Generate. In about 1 to 2 minutes, your polished, ready to publish AI video will be downloaded to your computer or phone. Seriously, this feels like magic when you see it for the first time. Okay, so the video is ready. Now comes the most exciting question. How do you earn money from this? Most people think only of YouTube, but let me show you multiple ways you can monetize these videos. The first option is a YouTube channel. Upload your AI videos, build an audience, and get monetized through ads. Some channels are already making hundreds of thousands of dollars per month. Number 2, Shorts or Reels content. Reuse your videos on Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. Many platforms now offer bonus programs for short form creators. The third option is freelancing. Sell AI video services on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer. Many businesses need animated explainers, story videos, or kids content. fourth option is stock footage sites. Upload clips of your AI generated videos on Shutterstock, Pond5 or Adobe Stock. Every download earns you royalties. The fifth option is digital products or courses. Compile your AI stories into ebooks, video series or kids learning content and sell them on platforms like Gumroad or Udemy. The sixth and final option is affiliate marketing. Insert affiliate links in your video descriptions. For example, promote books, courses, or even the AI tool you're using. Every click and purchase gives you commission. See, with just one story and one tool, you've just unlocked 5 to 6 different income streams. You don't need to be an editor or animator. Just be creative with ideas. So guys, this is how in just one click you can make AI videos and earn not only from YouTube, but also from Instagram, freelancing, stock sites, and even affiliate marketing. And the best part, you can do everything from your laptop or even just your phone. So no more excuses. Anyone can start today. If you found this video helpful, smash the like button, subscribe for more AI hacks, and comment down below which earning method you'd like me to explain in detail next time. And if you're wondering, okay, this was just one amazing tool, but what about other free AI tools to earn money? Don't worry, I've already made a video on the top 6 free AI tools to earn money online. Click here on the screen or check the link in the description below to watch it next. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.